Are you watching historical Chinese dramas every day, like 延禧攻略, trying to learn vocabulary from it? If yes, have you ever wondering if I use the terms and phrases from the dramas to talk to natives? Will they understand? Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is this a good idea to watch historical Chinese dramas to learn vocabulary? First, yes, natives will understand what you say, but they are historical Chinese dramas after all. The vocabulary is not that spoken in modern time. Just imagine you use Shakespeare's lines to talk to people. I know the virtue to be in you, Brutus, as well as I do know your outward favor. Well, honor is the subject of my story. Well, you get the idea. And second, is this a good idea? Well, as I always said, it depends on your Mandarin goal and situation. If you rock Mandarin already, speak decently, pick up vocabulary and phrase from the drama to extend, and you like it, I would say, why not? But if you have some more urgent goals, like your client is Chinese, you need to communicate with them right now, then put more effort into spoken communication probably will be more helpful for you. You might ask, how about 1930s Chinese drama? Do they use standard modern Chinese vocabulary in 1920 to 1940? First, I'm not an expert. Feel free to double check the following. To my understanding, Mandarin was announced as official since the 1920s to 1930s. I don't know every Chinese drama, so I'm not the one to tell you whether they use standard Mandarin or not. However, if the story timeline is after the 30s, the higher chance you will be using modern Chinese vocabulary. Summary: natives understand most of the vocabulary in historical Chinese dramas. Second, is this a good idea to watch historical Chinese drama to learn vocabulary? It depends on your Mandarin goal and situation. Then how about 1930s Chinese dramas? If the story timeline is after the 30s in the show, higher chance it will be using modern Chinese vocabulary. As we know, language is changing all the time. Some people said the TV show Friends is outdated for English learners because many words or phrases they don't use in daily life now. I believe the 80 years ago Chinese dramas could be the same case as well. Leave a comment below. Are you a fan of historical Chinese dramas? Which one do you like? Final, a question for you. The rest of life you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wei Ling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.